What is up, guys? Dan at the side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the viral stick figure animation in Canva. So let's get started. So first, you need to head over to Canva and then log in with the Canva account. And after that, you need to click on Create on the left side. And after clicking on Create, you need to click on Video Landscape. And after clicking on Video and the Landscape option in the new tab, the Video Landscape Editor will open. From here, on the left side, you need to go to elements and then you need to search for elements in the search bar. And then in the search bar, you need to type stick figure. And as you can see, the stick figure, here are multiple options for stick figures. In the graphics, click on see all. And after clicking on see all, here are multiple graphics that you can choose from. You can also choose the pro ones, but they will come with a watermark. So make sure that if you want a stick figure, but a graphic mark or a watermark is okay, so you can just choose from these. Else, if you don't want any watermark, you can just choose the free ones. And after that, let's say I have chosen this one. I will just simply adjust it here on the left side and then click on Animate. And when I click on Animate, here are some features. This is the shake zoom, this is the whip side, and this is the old TV. And then when I click on both, this will animate on both the sides. And when I click on exit, so this will only animate it on the exit. And when I click on enter, this will only animate on the enter. And from here, you can change the speed. As you can see, this is the speed changer, but you want to, if you want to change the speed, you need to just upgrade to the pro version of Canva. And after that, here are some of the other animations that you can choose from. And after that, when your animations is done, you need to click on uploads. And after clicking on uploads, you need to click on audio. And after clicking on audio, you need to select your audio, whatever you have entered here in Canva. But if you don't have your audio, you need to click on elements. And then in this audio section, you will find many options for different types of audios. And you can just choose from these. Let's say I like this one. And as you can see, the audio has been added here in my video section. As you can see, the audio and the video both are playing. Because I have not added any animations, I'll just simply add it. I'll click on animate and then I'll click on this one. And after that, I will just deselect it. And when I play it again, as you will see now, I have just adjusted this cursor here. And then here, this is with the animation and with the audio. This is how you can make the viral stick figure animations in Canva. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.